Did you know that the construction industry is a global powerhouse? It accounts for about 13% of the global GDP. That is over $13 trillion annually.
Workforce. More than 220 million people work in the construction sector worldwide. Productivity paradox. Despite its size, construction productivity has grown significantly slower than most other industries in recent decades. Capitalize on the $13 trillion footprint. Because construction commands 13% of global GDP, even fractional improvements in efficiency yield massive financial returns. Claim your fraction of the $13 trillion market. Audit your project pipelines to eliminate the process latency costing you millions. Leverage the industry's massive scale to justify investments in better technology. If you save just 1% on a mega project, you are recovering life-changing capital. A workforce of 220 million means that human capital is your highest cost and your greatest point of leverage. We can empower and upskill this workforce to unlock unprecedented potential. Break the productivity paradox. Replace siloed spreadsheets with unified cloud platforms and modular building methods today. By embracing industrialized construction, BIM modeling, and off-site assembly, we're transforming job sites into adaptive manufacturing floors. This approach reliably compresses project timelines by 30 to 50%. The companies that implement the measures will build smarter. Turning these industry bottlenecks into formalized operational goals is the quickest path to securing a dominant market share.
Want to build the future? Be sure to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more.